Hello, in front of me I've got Nissan Qashqai. In this video I'll show you how to change seat position. To change seat position, take a look at the driver's seat. Right here we've got this panel. Use this knob to change lumbar pressure. Use this panel to adjust back of the seat position. In the end, use this knob to change distance from the steering wheel and height of the seat. Now, let's take a look at the passenger's seat. In this configuration, the passenger seat has manual levers, thanks to which we can adjust the seat position. Right here, we've got the lever, thanks to which we can lift or lower the seat. Under the seat, we've got the lever, thanks to which we can change distance. And here is the lever, thanks to which we can fold the seat. And that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.